In this video I will show you how to make an army roll or a ranger roll or a navy roll, marine roll, any roll, backpacking roll. You begin by making a pocket on the bottom side of the t-shirt, and the length of this pocket depends on how thick you want the roll to be. Here I could have made it a little bit thinner to make the roll more tight, but I wanted to make it a bit more loose. And you bring both sides of the sleeves inside the t-shirt, and you can stop at the collar area where the collar starts. You can arrange the sleeves a little bit, but it's not really necessary to arrange them too much. And from here I could have made it a little bit better, but yeah, I did it how it was. And you begin rolling the t-shirt. You start from the collar. That pocket there is gonna be useful later. You start from the collar and you roll it tighter or loose depending on how you want it to be. Here I made it a little bit more loose, and the pocket, you see, it's a bit large for the roll. This size of pocket would have worked when I did it in a previous video with another fold where it was more thick, double the thickness. It is still working like this, and it's easy to show you, it's easy to demonstrate to you how you fold over the roll here. So you have that pocket, it's the side from below that you just really bring it over the t-shirt and it becomes like its own pocket. This is really, it looks really nicely, neatly arranged. If I made the pocket a bit thinner, not so wide, it would be even a more tight fit. Thanks for watching. That's the long style. We'll do now the shorter style.